Yo, what's up my elevated fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am a little bit under the weather. I've been trying to get over this cold, so it kind of just sounds like I'm doing this all the time. So I apologize for that. I'm gonna try and speak clearly and articulate my words so you guys can hear me okay. But if you guys can't tell by the title, today we are gonna be wrapping the, I guess you would call them crossbars. I don't really know what the technical term is for it, but we're gonna be wrapping them today. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the F30 bumper and then how to wrap the bars behind it. For the color, I finally decided to go with white, and I've seen a number of F30s with different types of colors behind the bumper, and I don't know, I haven't seen a whole lot of people doing white, and I think white would look pretty clean and accent the dark car really well. And I've got something planned for the interior which will make use of the white, so it'll all coincide and everything should look good. I've got this gloss white from Vivid. It's 3 feet by 5 feet, so I've got plenty to work with, and I think this will just do nicely for both the crossbars behind the bumper and for what I have planned for the interior of the car. Real quick though, I did want to update you guys. I've been working pretty damn hard on the new elevated media merch 2.0 or version 2, whatever you want to call it. It's the second year that I've been doing this whole elevated YouTube thing, and the new merch is very different than what you guys see here. It doesn't really look like that anymore. So reason why I wanted to bring this to your attention is because if you want to pick up any of the old merch, I do have limited stock of all of this on the website. So I've got the black hoodies, the black short sleeve tees, the square E stickers, and the elevated slab stickers. So if you guys like the original elevated tees and the logo that you see over there, make sure you go ahead to the website because I don't know when it's going to be coming back, if it will ever come back. So if you like it, now's your time to go pick it up, support the channel, I appreciate it. Let's get on to today's F30 mod. So first things first, we got to take off this front bumper, which will give us a lot better access to the bars behind it. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Alright, so for starters, let's go ahead and just take this weather stripping off. It's really easy, you just pull it, set it aside. We've got to take out this T-Torx bit. I'm actually missing one here. Some more T-Torx bits here and on this side, so let's go ahead and take those off. Next, I'm going to work on the bottom of the bumper. I can't really show you because it's too low, but there's probably about 6 screws on the bottom. You can see 2 of which are right here and here. Now with the bottom off, let's go ahead and start the car. And we're gonna go ahead and rotate the wheel all the way to one direction. So we turn the wheel to give us access to these bolts here. You'll find 2 8 mils, one here, one here. Then you're gonna have 2 basically up right near where this kind of break, this line is right here. So you'll have one, and then you gotta kind of pull the fender liner to reach the second one, which is like right there. Now with all the screws out on both sides, you can see the corner is loose. Last but not least, you want to take your fog light, which is right there, that yellow wire is, and twist it and then pull it out so you don't yank it when you take the bumper off. Just like that. And you can just kind of let it hang, it's not going to go anywhere. And now this front bumper should be good to come off. Yo, what do you guys think of the new pop-up F30 Prelude front end? I don't know, I'm just sticking around. Now we have complete access to these, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap them. I'm just in the car warming up right now, planning on how I'm gonna attack this. It's really cold out, so I actually borrowed Jenna's hair dryer, so I'm gonna use that to heat up the bars as much as I can, and then lay the vinyl, and then probably heat the vinyl itself while it's on the bar to make sure it adheres nicely. I gotta go grab a tape measure and kind of figure out what size vinyl I need to cut for each of the crossbars. So let's figure that out. So I just measured it. It's gonna be about 13.5 inches in length for each side. A little trick to figure out how much vinyl I actually need to wrap around it. I just took some masking tape and wrapped it around and then cut it where it overlaps. So that way I can just basically measure this piece of tape, and then that'll be the width of the vinyl by 13.5 inches. So let's go get that cut up, and then we can go and put it on the F30. Got my pieces cut. I did 13.25 lengthwise and 3.25 inches widthwise, so that should be enough coverage, I believe. I'm gonna make some use of my trusty rubbing alcohol and paper towels and wipe down both of these bars so that way the vinyl can stick to it really well. All right, all clean now. I'm gonna go ahead and heat it up. One side is all done. It's really easy to get this whole top part until you get to right about here. You can see there's kind of those little lips. The bar actually widens as you get to the bottom, so that's kind of the only difficult part to wrap, but it's really easy. If this is your first time wrapping, it's really a piece of cake. So let's clean up this one and do the same thing. There it is. I think that looks super cool. Damn, that pops like crazy. Holy shit. I am super happy with how that came out. I was not really expecting to like the white as much as I do, but I think the white looks sick. I can't wait to get the bumper back on, so let's go ahead and toss it on and see how this thing looks. All done. That's how it looks. I think it looks pretty sick. I mean, it matches the lights really well. Damn. Imagine this thing coming up behind you on the highway. I love it, guys. I am super happy with how that came out. That was a very easy install. The hardest part was definitely just taking off the front bumper, which if you guys watched a couple videos back when I did the fog lights, again, if any of you guys have figured out some sort of a OEM looking quick release for these bumpers, let me know. I would love to do something like that. Thank you guys so much for watching though, and I appreciate each and every one of you for making it to the end of the video. Don't forget to head to the website and pick up some merch before it's all gone. It really helps out the channel, helps out me, and that way I can keep making these videos for you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.